Hello friends, welcome to GynoTalk. I am Dr. Safina Anas, Specialist Gynecologist at Aster Hospital, Dubai. Today I will discuss exercise during pregnancy. Every pregnant woman must have doubts regarding exercise during pregnancy. In this episode, I will try to answer some questions regarding the exercise during pregnancy. Is it safe to exercise during pregnancy? If you are healthy and pregnancy is normal, it is safe to start or continue your regular physical activity. This will not increase the risk of miscarriage, low birth weight or early delivery. However, it is important to discuss with your obstetrician before starting an activity. Exercise during pregnancy are unsafe in certain conditions like heart disease or lung diseases, cervical insufficiency or cerclage, multiple pregnancy with risk of preterm labor, placenta previa, preeclampsia, severe anemia, etc. What are the benefits of exercise during pregnancy? Regular exercise benefit you and your baby. It reduces back pain, eases constipation, decreases the risk of gestational diabetes, preeclampsia, and it will reduce the cesarean delivery also. Promote healthy weight gain during pregnancy to improve your overall fitness and health. Exercise help to lose your body weight after delivery. What are the precautions to be taken during exercise? Drink plenty of water before, during and after your workout. Avoid becoming overheated, especially in the first trimester. Wear loose fitting clothes and exercise in a temperature controlled room. Do not exercise outside when it is very hot and humid. Avoid standing still or lying straight on your back as much as possible. These positions may cause your blood pressure to decrease for a short time. What are the safe exercise during pregnancy? Walking, swimming and water workout and stationary bicycling are safe. About modified yoga. Yoga reduces stress, improves flexibility and encouraged focused breathing. There are prenatal yoga designed for pregnant women. When should you stop exercising? If you have any of these symptoms, stop exercising and consult your doctor. Bleeding, feeling dizzy or faint, shortness of breath, chest pain, headache, painful contractions of the uterus, fluid leaking from vagina, etc. Is exercise important after delivery? Yes. Exercise will help to improve your mood and decrease the risk of deep vein thrombosis. It also helps to lose the extra weight that you may have gained during pregnancy. How much you should exercise during pregnancy? If you are new to exercise, start out slowly and gradually increase your activity. Begin with as little as 5 minutes a day and add 5 minutes each week until you can stay up to 30 minutes a day. If you are very active before pregnancy, you can keep doing the same workout with your obstetrician's approval. Hope this information is useful to you. See you next time with another topic. Thank you.